I'm doing an unboxing of my Infinity Food raw ingredients that I buy in their wholesale shop. I've got a box of 6 by 1 liter of organic raw extra virgin coconut oil. The jars are also quite nice, can be reused. These are my white chia seeds. Makes a bit of difference from being black. Here I've got a pack of pistachios, and then here a box of 6 raw Kalamata black olives in olive oil. They are totally delicious. Here I've got a kilo of psyllium husk, organic. I use it for several recipe, cake, bread, etc. I've got 6 packs of organic nutritional yeast. And here I have 1 kilo of raw cacao nibs. I use it quite every day. Then I have 2 kilos of pumpkin seeds. Here I have 2 kilo of regular black chia seeds, organic as well. And here I have my favorite, my 3 kilo of black sesame seeds, whole. I use them pretty much every day, together with the cacao nibs. And then down here in these boxes I have linseed, also known as flax seeds. I have both the golden and the brown, and they are both about 5 kilos each, and I use them also regularly every day. And I make bread, and I make all sorts of pizza, and also I feed the birds. Here I have regular sesame seeds and some sunflower seeds. I think there's a 5 kilo each per pack. And here I have 5 kilo of buckwheat groats and oat groats, which I sprout. Both of them I sprout, and I make fine flour with them, and then I use it for many things: porridge, bread, pizza, anything. So this is my probably will last me about, I would say, maybe a year or more. This is my basic ingredients, which I use pretty much every day. So for me, it's much more convenient to get them in massive amounts, because I save quite a lot of money. Oh yeah, I've got also a raw pistachio bag there, which I was quick earlier in my first round. So yeah, I save so much money because I use them every single day. And it's, when you buy wholesale in Infinity Food, it's probably about 25% discount. It works out, especially if you buy in big bulk bags like I do. These are one of the smallest bulk bags you can get. So thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.